Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to answer this one. For the first one, we put the interpretation for the both sides. So the interpretation of this one, we have f of s. So we have the formula in here. So for this one, I will put number 2 go in here. So we have 2 plus 1, we have number 3. The next one, that is about number 1. So 1 plus 1, we have number 2. Number 1, that is about S, and I will put about C. Now we have the conditions. That means when s equals to number 1, f of number 1 equals to number 5. So we can find the value of c. So this one, that is about number 5. This one, that is about number 2. So c equals to 5 minus number 2. We put number 2 go to the left. That's why we have negative number 2 and we have number 3. So we put number 3 go in here. This one we can simplify and we have number 4. This one, that is about number 3. And here is the final answer. Question number 2. We do the same. So the integration of this one, that is about f of s. The integration of this one, that is about s to the power of 3 over number 3. This one, that is about number 2. This one, that is about 8s. And I will put about c. Now we have the condition. So we just put about negative number 1 in here. So that means we have negative number 1, negative number 1, and negative number 1. This one, that is about number 1. So we calculate this one and we have 11 over number 2. So we can find the value of c. So this one, you got about negative number 9 over number 2. So this one we put in here. This one, that is about number 3. So here is the final answer. The next one, we put the s go to the right. Later that, we put the interpretation for the both sides. So this one we have y. This one we have 3 over number 2 because we put 1 over 2 plus 1 from this equation. So that's why we have 3 over 2. So we have the conditions in here. So we put 21 and number 4 go in here. So we can find the value of C. That is about. So we have negative 1 over 3. So we put this one go in here. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.